Kiddwaya faces backlash for insinuating Costa Titch's death was caused by drug abuse.
Guys, I've just seen the terrible video of Costa Titch slumping and dying on stage. And it's so sad because the guy was so talented and was extremely young. And I feel like, and this is a message really to managers and PR people and agencies and all the guys behind the scenes. We've got to do more to protect artists. We have to do regular blood checks, regular BP checks, check if they're mentally they're okay, physically they're okay, because a lot of these artists are taking drugs to escape the world or to carry the expectations and pressures from everybody. They're taking drugs and they're taking it in heavy doses. And when they go on stage with all the excitement, with all the energy, most times they have heart attacks. You have to check them more regularly, and if they're not okay, if you feel like something is wrong, you cancel the show. It costs nothing to refund people. Yes, and you might have some financial liabilities and some financial losses, but nothing is bigger than the loss of a life. You have to do more to protect your art, artists. If they're not okay, you cancel the show, you reschedule, give people their refunds. Because their mental being and the well-being of the artist is way more important than anything. It's so sad for Costa to die. And this is not just him. It's happening to a lot of artists out there. And I feel like we need to do more to protect them. We really do. But yeah, RIP.